Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mazda side mirror. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a trim removal tool, a socket wrench, typically an 8 or 10 millimeter, and your new side mirror assembly. For your safety, it is always a good idea to wear gloves and safety glasses. Before starting any work, remember to disconnect your vehicle's negative battery cable to avoid electrical problems. Now, let's get to removing the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior triangular trim panel, often found opposite the mirror, using your trim tool. Once that's off, you'll see the electrical wiring harness. Unplug it by pressing the small tab. Next, use your socket wrench to unfasten the 3 mounting bolts holding the mirror in place. With the bolts removed, gently pull the old mirror assembly away from the door. With the old mirror out, it's time to install your new one. Start by carefully feeding the new mirror's electrical wiring through the opening in the door. Then, align the new mirror assembly with the 3 mounting holes on the door. Insert and hand tighten the 3 mounting bolts to hold it in position. Finally, reconnect the electrical wiring harness, making sure you hear a click to confirm it's securely fastened. Almost done. Now, reattach the interior trim panel, pressing firmly to ensure all clips snap back into place. Next, reconnect the negative battery cable to restore power to your Mazda. Turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test the new side mirror's power adjustments and any other features it may have, like heating or blind spot monitoring. Make sure it moves smoothly in all directions and is securely fastened before hitting the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.